Hello guys, Brad here again with another fragrance review. Today I want to look at Paco Rabanne's Invictus. And this is what the bottle looks like. It's an interesting bottle design. It has like a trophy shape to it. I have no idea how well it sprays because this is a sample review, but here's what it says. A fresh, woody eau de toilette. A refreshing marine top note face to the sensuality of a guaiac wood base note. So this fragrance was introduced in 2013 and classified as a woody aquatic. Top notes include grapefruit, sea notes, and mandarin orange. Middle notes of bay leaf and jasmine. And in the base, guaiac wood, oak moss, patchouli, and ambergris. And base noters didn't give this one a very positive response. 1 positive, 0 neutral, and 4 negatives. So this is my sample here. I've worn this one at work a few days. What you basically get with this one is a very nice designer style aquatic fragrance. I do get a lot of like a sweet grapefruit in the opening, a little bit of orange, and from the ambergris and the sea notes, you do get like that typical designer aquatic feel. If you've ever smelled like the Hugo Boss fragrances, like Hugo by Hugo Boss, you do get a similar vibe to that. In fact, some people say this one has like a bubblegum feel to it, and I remember people saying the same thing about Hugo by Hugo Boss. So a similar effect with this one. When I first tried it out, I was pretty impressed by it though. I remember putting it on and liking it, and my stepdaughter, she smelled it and liked it. I asked my wife what she thought, and she liked it. And since I had just recently tested Tom Ford's Costa Azora, I thought, you know what? It even reminds me of that a little bit, minus the incense note. So I was pretty hyped up about that. But then wearing it 2 or 3 times, it just kind of slowly became more of that familiar designer aquatic smell. So even though it has a guaiac wood base, the overall effect isn't much different than your typical designer aquatic like the Hugo Bosses or maybe Ed Hardy's Love and Luck or whatever you have there. It's nice, but I'm not sure if it really breaks a lot of new ground like you would expect. Not quite as groundbreaking as Costa Azora. I haven't tried Bond No. 9's Shelter Island. I know that one also has a guaiac wood base as well. But you know, if you're looking for something cheaper on the designer end, and you like woody aquatics, this one's maybe worth checking out. I'm not sure if I would jump out and buy a bottle blind or anything. You know, you get a little bit of floral in there as well, but it's pretty masculine and wearable, and I think a crowd pleaser as well. But not really anything overly special. So let's get into some scores. Smell 7.5 out of 10. A nice smell. Like I said, my wife liked it, and my stepdaughter liked it. I didn't get any compliments at work though, but no complaints either. Projection longevity. I thought this one actually did a little bit better than a lot of fragrances that I've tried. I'd say probably 3 to 5 hours. So I'll give it 7.5 out of 10. Uniqueness, I'll give it 6 out of 10. It tries to be a little different with the guaiac wood base, but really, when it's all said and done, pretty similar to most of your other designer aquatics. Versatility, 6 out of 10. Definitely best for the hotter summer days. Price point, 1.7 ounce, 52.15. 3.4 ounce, 59.04. So my overall score will be 7 out of 10. A nice, pleasant, slightly modern, but familiar smelling designer aquatic fragrance. Worth checking out if you like those types of fragrances. It has like that aquatic vibe, but in a very synthetic designer way. So check it out if you like those kinds of things. Invictus by Paco Rabanne. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.